Okay, now we have a question from our fans. How do I enter 12 plus 2 square root of 13 in a calculator? Well, first of all, square root is related to squaring. So if I said, say 3 squared is 9, going backwards, the square root of 9 is 3. So it's important to know that this exponent function, x squared, is related to square root. They're not the same. And this will help you with calculators when you're looking for something that is a little different, but you don't see it right away. So now that we know that squaring and square rooting are related, they are the opposites of each other, a lot of times let's find, I don't see the square root, but I do see the squared. So zooming in, you can see the square root. Let me zoom in even more. You can see there's a squared, and right above it is a blue square root. How do you get to the blue buttons on these fancy graphing calculators? There's a big old blue button there that has the label second on it. So to enter this into the calculator, let me zoom out just a touch more. I will go 12 plus, and then 2. Now the cool thing is, if you're using a simpler calculator, you'll have to say times. But this calculator understands that if you have a 2 in front of a square root of 3, and that's how I got the square root. I hit second and x squared. And then I can put the 13 in there. So this calculator understands that if it's 2 in front of square root of 13, that it is this. So I hit enter, and that is my answer. The other way you can do this, if you're a little more old-fashioned like me, I do like putting the times in there. So again, second on the squared button, 13. And I hit enter, and I have exactly the same answer.